sista turen med bussen.
Gala.
And then it's not ours. It's not ours anymore.
Yeah,
It's not ours now. But we have to deliver the bus. Yeah.
we gotta sleep in the bus.
Mm.
Hva har vi glemt nå, da?
Ingenting?
Ja, så bra.
Mamma,
Hmm.
kan jeg åpne gammel?
So it's Alicia's birthday. So Alicia gonna have birthday in the bus.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Not today, tomorrow.
It's Papa and Alicia har bursdag i bussen.
Nej, pappa.
Yeah.
Jo, pappa hade
If you
det.
Jeg hadde.
bara ego deg Andrea ikke.
Så er det bare grining av Leo.
So yun guys, hindi niya na hinintay yung birthday niya. So binuksan niya yung regalo namin sa bus. Papunta kami sa Rua. Hatid ng bus.
Pissy! Ja!
Ikke miste bakken.
Pissa!
So Hildiga.
Wow! Se det gröna där. Wow! Så se. Det var fint. Du kan röra någon här. Tusen tack. Igen faktiskt. Jag ska lägga i den grejer. Du vet att sådana här finns för iPadar och cheese.
Thai food.
Här.
Hi to the vlog sabi.
Hej.
Hi.
Hej.
Ha? Marigo?
Ja.
Har du spist chili?
Här.
Burger. Har du chili? Sleepover in the bus. Bye-bye bus na. This is bye-bye bus na. Not our bus. It's too cold. It's too cold in the night, my God.
Yes, actually.
You're gonna miss the bus.
But my tablet is so cold. My tablet is so cold. Look at that. This is my tablet.
Gabiin na.
Mama,
Gabiin na.
Hello guys. Look here. And we have an overnight. And my things is there. And my bunny is there. There. Bye bye.
So here we deliver. They have a lot of machines. Grab machines. Ela excavator. Kato. Kato. Here is the bus. It's last day. We are in the bus. We're gonna just it's the one who buy the bus. Hadilan Unlink AS. So hi guys. It's the last time. The bus. Bye bus.
Bye bye.
Ay, nako. Sad. He's happy and I'm sad. Buang. Alicia's birthday today. Yeah, for the last time, mag-vlog tagamay. Aron maka-remember ta sa atong bus. Ana naman tayo bus tour pod. Pero, yeah. Bye-bye. I hope everything... Oy, habo it honkla ha.
Hängröra i mark.
So, iniwan namin yung duvet. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for the memories. Busin. Bada busin. Yeah. Okay. Hada.
Yep. Rain.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Alicia. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Flinke. Ja, men det dryppte litt talg.
Det går fint. Jeg kan
So, boss. Bye-bye, busin. Hi guys, karo makita ang lili ha. Hi guys. Hi guys. Where are we going?
Sverige.
Huh?
Sverige.
Yes. What is yeah, Sweden, yeah. Sweden. So we're going to Sweden, just a little bit like in the border or something. Like we're gonna go to the shopping center. Huh? Kami na ilita Habib sa to sin lap today. Gaba.
Okej, då ska jag åka dit och ta boka till.
Yeah.
För barnaven och hon tar boka till ganska... Eller de flesta kostar 9 kronor och 12.
Okay.
8 grader.
Yeah. So we're gonna go visit shopping center that it belongs to Sweden.
Men 1000 var ju ganska mycket.
Yeah. So maybe it's cheaper.
Sweden, the country. Vad säger du?
Huh? Yeah. I didn't know Sweden is the next country to Norway.
Ikke alle sett det?
Huh?
Det er sikkert ikke alle sett det.
No, yeah.
Det er jo 1 million views, vet du.
Sana all 1 million views. I-manifest na yan. Nibo Family Vlog 1 million views. Sara na ito. 1 million views. So 1 view para. So it's like a dummy account of you. A hater. Sana all. Ay, di ahak eh. What is that?
It's the aliens.
Oj, oj, oj.
Talaga do saan Alicia?
Huh?
You like that? Ja,
Ja,
het
het
is-
is basketball. Voor de vesten.
Ja, det stämmer. Range. Glomma. Kanske? Glomma. Glomma, det är något längst där.
That's well kaklok ka no. Kuan 12:25 sa auto. About na Sweden. Sweden
Gustav
na
är ju
ni.
svensk.
Herregud, allt är svensk. Oh my god, maato ning mga negosyante ning mga kuan. Swedish. Ilaha man ni tanan diri asa naman ning baliktad. Nani tan-aw mo Sweden?
How is it na pinako?
Na. Mao na ni Sweden. Mao ra gud pag kuan. Mao ra kay deo ra manggod ni. Ilahang sign. Mga 1 minute na lang maabot namin sa mall. Ay, grabing insan naman niya. Huway bas kamot. Wala para ba sila kasuldo pila na ning tuig. Hak na lang.
National.
Na mall, public anyway.
National. Eller dockor.
Kapal hirog. So ayan guys, nakarating na din kami sa wakas sa aming destination to First Shopping Center. So nag-shopping kami konti at kumain ng lunch dito. So at least nakaapak ng sa Sweden na siya na part. So ayan, uwi naman after. So mo bakasyonista na mo, abot na mo Sweden. Hoy, bintalit Andrea. It's there, no? Come on. Kan går onger.
Say hi.
Andrea,
Hi.
how is your Sweden experience?
Huh?
Huh?
It's lovely. It's lovely.
Someone want to move to Sweden?
Yeah.
Everybody wants to do that.
Oh. Pauli na. We're going back home. It's how many hours we gonna drive from here? Up home? 10 hours? 10? 10 hours? Oh my god. So, pauwi na kami guys from Sweden. So, drop by namin si Jillian sa
Solkörte.
bandang
In i
malapit na sa
är det
Oslo.
sån röntgen eller var det röntgenbäddar?
So,
Röntgen hela lastbilen.
so, yun lang yung lakad namin. Hatid lang bus, tapos nag-Sweden, tapos uwi. So, short lang yung time. Kasi, from Friday to Saturday lang. Tired? Ska going home. We are going home. Driving home.
And guys, today is my best
Nor?
Yeah. And I got stuff with it, and I got candy, and I got a big. This is LOL 20 stuff, and I bought beautiful hair. And she got this, and that one of the candies we bought was like a lollipop, so it's hard. Hva heter den store ballen?
Jawbreaker.
And we bought a jawbreaker, yeah. A very big one, or not very big, but like this big, and a little one. And like this, and like this.
Ay, tired guys.
It's hard to sit on the side.
We arrived last night, like late night. What time we arrived in Roa?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, like in the night.
We'll have to come up. So fun.
And then we sleep and wake up and then drive to like the border of Norway and Sweden. We went to the mall. And then now going home, and then it's probably late when we arrive because it's 8 hours drive home. What time you think? 12? Midnight? Or 1 o'clock
One, maybe 2.
in the night? Again? Oh my god. Very tired. Yes.
Pappa, pappa, jeg vet akkurat klokkeslettet med kontant.
Ja.
Det var klokka 44 minutter, eller ja, 40, eller
01.44.
ja, 01.44.
Ja.
Da,
Ja.
So that's it guys for this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Uwi na kami. So late na pagdating namin. So hindi na ako magba-vlog doon. So see you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Be safe everyone. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Nebo Family Vlog. Be safe everyone. Bye.